Welcome to part 2 of our ExtremeLocation demo, where we explore some of the dashboard analytics that the location engine supports and delivers. From the map view, which we cited in part 1 of our video series, we can click on the Dashboard View tab on the top left corner of the system. The Location tabs in the middle allows us to select and view the insights for any individual location. We're able to see the aggregated analytics as well. In the next tab, labeled Duration, we can view an engagement timeframe or any custom timeframe the user would like to select. Let's take a look at the San Jose site today. And let's look at the Visit Type Analytics view. The Visit Time chart gives visibility on how many visitors were outside and how many were inside. For the inside category, there are two delineations. There is an inside bounced and an inside engaged. A client who the system labels as bounced dwells at the property for less than 5 minutes. Someone who is listed as engaged stays at the property for more than 5 minutes. This 5-minute window is configurable within the system itself by the organization. This view also demonstrates the number of clients outside and the number of clients inside. This allows organizations to develop and roll out campaigns to improve the foot traffic and the conversion rate of the property. Scrolling down in the dashboard view, we can specifically understand the inside engagement trends of the location, as pictured in the bottom left-hand corner chart. The inside engagement trend demonstrates the amount of time visitors spent in a venue or location, and the time of day they visited. The chart in the center demonstrates average engagement across all visitors. The information on the far right is the same as the chart to the left, but depicted in a different format. Scrolling down, this chart shows insights on loyalty trends for location visitors. The visitors in green are repeat visitors, whereas the visitors in blue are first-time visitors. So, we're able to see the majority of visitors today are repeat. How does the technology know whether a visitor is new or a repeat? The system stores the data, and if a visitor's device is recognized within a 30-day window, it is identified as a repeat visitor. This 30-day threshold is also customizable. These two charts, in the center and on the bottom right-hand corner, rank the sites in the location engine by engagement time. The current data is only pulling from 3 locations, so the top 5 sites and bottom 5 sites are the same here, but you can understand what are the top performing and bottom performing sites. At the bottom here, we see the ratio of in-house staff at the location versus inside engaged customers. This is a great tool to ensure the number of staff to support the customers is adequate. Or, alternatively, if there are too many staff for the number of customers visiting a location. All of the widgets or data points and their charts are customizable to the needs of the business and their locations. You can also create completely new dashboards. You simply select the data points you would like to include. And save the dashboard. Then, in the drop-down in the top left corner, you're able to see your customized dashboard. With all of this information at your fingertips, you can certainly understand the power of location-based analytics for your business. That concludes this dashboard demo of ExtremeLocation. Make sure to check out our other video series for more information on ExtremeLocation.